Hi friends, welcome to Trending Sutra. My name is Amit and this is our today's market snapshot. What a roller coaster ride in the market today. Finally, the volatility actually come back in both the indexes, especially into Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Let's start with the market snapshot. Spot Nifty closed minus 113 point in the negative, losing approximately 0.61%, whereas future Nifty closed by minus 148 points, losing by 0.79% approximately. Bank Nifty closed almost flat with a positive gain of 37 points in the spot and with a 4.4 point positive gain in the future. VIX dramatically fell below 12 at one point of time during the session, and it come back on the upside, like it reverses from the 12 level, and it made a high of 13.9, but close at below 13.5. It was up by 0.6% on the closing basis. If you talk about the FIDA activity, FI sold approximately minus 158 crore. The amount is quite negligible in terms of what they were selling in last few session, whereas the DII buying remain continue with 501 crore. So DII and FIA effectively bought approximately 350 crore or 340 crore in the market. Talk about dollar rupee. Rupee in the spot actually close negative. Dollar fell by 15 paisa, 0.8%, whereas in the future it fell by it closed minus 13.25 paisa. If we talk about the position, client-wise position, participant-wise open interest, client position remain positive, DIA remain positive, whereas FII and institutional investor turn negative in today's session. So technically, they have sold quite heavily into index future, into stock options, especially into stock calls, and they have sold and they bought put in the market. So the reason behind of all the volatility and sudden fall in the market, probably because of the participation by these institutional investors and FIA. Nifty PCR today closed at 0.51, whereas the maximum point shifted from 18,600 to 18,500. Bank Nifty PCR closed from 1.3 to 0.90. It actually cooled down, whereas the maximum pain point remain at 43,500. If we talk about overall market texture and the movement, Nifty opened with a gap up in a positive and fell start, when it's again like, 18,767 70, it is getting nervousness in the market. And whenever it is coming in the past several few session, it actually started reversing. So again, the profit booking, or you can see strong reversal come in the market. And unexpectedly, once 18,650 broken on the downside, it further fell by 150 points. So approximately from high to low, Nifty made a movement of 250, 270 point, because largely due to IT index. IT index would have fell by approximately 3%, more than 3%. Uh, Largely the Nifty was, laggard by mostly by IT stocks. Whereas if you talk about the contribution, only 18 stocks were positive out of 50, and 32 were the negative. SDFC Bank, ITC, SBI, and a couple of FMCG and pharma stocks remain positive. They contributed approximately 46 point in the positive, whereas the dragger in the market remain Infi, Reliance, HCL Tech, TCS Tech, Mahindra, Bajaj Finance. So all the IT stocks, all the other banking stocks who actually lead the rally in the last few session are today closed in the negative and heavily negative. So that is one of the reason why Nifty and bank divergence goes beyond 0.8% in today's session. Coming back to the market option data analysis, the Nifty aggressively 18,600 call added approximately 70 lakh. In 18,500 strike price, it added approximately 40 lakh. highest open interest stand at 18,600 call. Whereas in the put side, we told you yesterday, 18,600 put added quite a heavy position, but it shed approximately 0.8 lakhs at the end of the session. And some of the position shifted towards 18,500. So technically speaking, calls added aggressively into 18,600 and 18,500, whereas market is now comfortable around 18,200 to 18,300, because at 18,200 21 lakh put added and 18,300 14 lakh put added. After that, 18,400 added approximately 17 lakh. So considering a premium of 54, so market, as we were discussing yesterday also, 18,300 to 350 is what is market is expecting on the downside. So that much of risk call put writer is ready to pay. Coming back to the Bank Nifty, surprisingly, Bank Nifty open with a gap up, move upward, fell almost 350 points, and reverse aggressively in the late hours. Again, like even yesterday and today, both of the session we see late buying coming in the market. Today, the leader was HDFC Bank and SBI. They were leading the gains. And interestingly, Bank Nifty index, as we are observing, is managed quite well in last so many sessions. So Nifty was, it was falling in the market, whereas Bank Nifty closed at the flat, and it is almost like again, because from the low it recovered almost 300 points. Whereas in the option side, if you see 43,500, 43,600 put added quite a position. In fact, 43,700 also added quite a position. 43,700, 43,800 call added quite strong position, approximately 25 lakh, along with 43,500 and 43,600, so 10 lakhs. So approximately 35 lakhs of open interest added between 43,500 to 43,800. Whereas approximately 15 lakh or 20 lakh of put interest put added between this exercise. So somehow market seems to be getting the sense that the market may not fall that much. Bank Nifty may be managed, and it will be holding support at least around 43,500 to 43,300 on the downside. But how long this is going to survive, it's a matter of question, because it is neither breaking and above 44,000 psychological level, or it is not falling below 43,500. So that's very interesting. Few more things that we have observed in the market in today's move, that almost all the sector except FMCG and pharma were closed in negative. All the indices from the market were closed in negative. The pressure in the banks also was quite visible, where out of 12, 7 stocks ended in the red and 5 stocks ended in the green. In the Bank Nifty, we see only HDFC, SBI, and IndusInd Bank. They were the leader in the in today's market, quite well managed by the HDFC Bank and SBI, and Bank of Baroda again today it was positive. Whereas PNB, ICICI Bank, Federal Bank, Bandhan Bank, Axis and Kotak, all those close negative. So if we take out the gains from the HDFC Bank and SBI in the last hour, Bank Nifty could close minus 100 or 250 points. So this is the interesting part right now in the index. Globally, Dow Jones fell around 130. Right now, it is minus in negative minus 60 point, because after the PPI data, which come above the expectation, sudden we see sudden movement in the market. Dow was positive 180 points before the data came, and now it is turned to negative. So Nifty is SGX Nifty is also like 18,600 is trading nearby that level. Monday, how market is going to open, we'll see an XX in our weekly technical report, and that we will be posting by Saturday or Sunday. Meanwhile, that's it for now for today's market snapshot. Market volatility today was quite aggressive. That is very positive for the market. But VIX actually has not able to break that 14 level. So somehow again, two possibility what we observe in after today's market action. Either the short longs, like the weak longs got uh, filtered out from the system, whereas in the Bank Nifty again the healthy correction came and it actually closed nearby 43,700 or something like that. So healthy correction came in the Bank Nifty, weak longs got liquidated in the Nifty, and probably or maybe Monday or next week the market resume the rally. But more into that, we'll take our assessment on our weekly report and update you on the same. That's it for now. There is a humble request: kindly subscribe our channel uh, and get updated on the real time. Like this video, share with your friends and traders. So we will be more happy and coming with more updates on the market, along with some few more informative uh, information on the market. That's it for now. Thank you.